Rosabel Morales, Associate in Arts.
Cosette Quiros, AS Accounting Technology.
Carlos Rodas, Associate in Arts.
Maria Teresa Mania, CT Computer Programming.
How much there is here?
Marcos R. Morales, CT Addiction Studies, Credit Certificate.
Felipe Montero de Almeida,
That's her.
AS Marketing Management.
Ashley N. Balines, Associate in Arts.
Woo!
Elaine Reynoso, Associate in Arts.
Melissa Sharonfand, Associate in Arts.
Carolina Del Carmen Bestard, Associate in Arts.
Laura
That's okay.
Guillerme,
I understand.
Associate in Arts.
Darian Rigoberto Rodriguez, Associate in Arts.
Blamary Arana, Associate in Arts.
Isabel Perdomo, Associate in Arts.
Natasha Del Pupo, Associate in Arts with highest honors.
Stephanie Valdez, Associate in Arts.
Roxana Navarro, Associate in Arts with highest
She's
honors.
almost ready to get her picture.
Yadam Konade, Associate in Arts.
Alexander Valdez, Associate in Arts with highest honors.
Daniel Alejandro Gonzalez Sweedling, Associate in Arts with highest honors.
Brian Francisco Martinez, Associate in Arts, AS Computer Information Technology and CT Information Technology Support.
Cesar Luis Gonzalez, Associate in Business Administration.
Cesar A. Zuluaga, Associate in Arts with honors.
Lynette Alvarez, Associate in Arts.
Jani C. Enriquez, Associate in Arts.
Chaveli Menendez, Associate in Arts.
Carlos H. Fragela, Associate in Arts.
George Ramos, Associate in Arts.
Andres Jimenez, Associate in Arts.
Jeanette Milford, Associate in Arts.
Jesus Piñón, Associate in Arts.